back to our channel. Today I would love to show you how to make wonderful French dessert called soufflé. The word soufflé means to breathe or to puff, which is what the whites do to the base once they hit the oven's heat. Today Mom made a fluffy, airy, foamy matcha soufflé that's adapted from Just One Cookbook recipe. We need 3 eggs, 100ml milk, 100ml heavy cream, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons plus 2 teaspoons of flour, 2 tablespoons matcha, and 4 tablespoons of sugar. First, we need to separate the eggs. Remember, always use room temperature eggs and be careful when cracking. Egg whites need to be clean. Do not pierce the yolk. This step may look easy, but if you go wrong, the soufflé will not puff high. So yeah. For the ramekins, use butter stick, generously butter soufflé ramekins. Coat bottom and sides thoroughly with sugar, tapping each of out excess. For the best rise, make sure there is sugar covering all the butter on sides of the ramekins. You can substitute sugar coating with chocolate powder or ground nuts to create a rough texture for batter to hold into as it rises. When done coating the ramekins, put ramekins into the fridge to chill the butter inside. Now, to make the custard, in a small saucepan, heat the milk and heavy cream until bubbling. Whisk egg yolks and sugar together. Please use medium bowl. Mom accidentally used a small one, but lucky her, it's not spilled. Add flour to the egg mixture. Mix well. Please, again, use bigger bowl. Don't be silly like Mom. Our milk is bubbling. Pour a little hot milk into the egg mixture. Mix until smooth. Mix and mix. Turn heat to low. Pour the egg mixture back into the milk. Whisk constantly just around 2 minutes. You will see the custard is thicker. Turn off the heat right away. Pour custard into a bowl, cover it with plastic wrap, and let it chill in the fridge. It will need to cool down a little bit before fold in the meringue. Preheat oven to 390 Fahrenheit. Now we make the meringue. Use a stand mixture, beat egg whites and 1.5 teaspoons cream of tartar at medium speed until the mixture is bubbles. Scatter sugar little by little. Beat until egg whites hold stiff peaks and look glossy. Mix it and mix it. Beat until the meringue is just able to hold stiff peaks. This means when you lift the whisk out of the meringue, it will create a tip that stays upright without dropping as you gently move the whisk. It should look glossy. Do not over whisk. After custard cooling down a little bit in the fridge, add matcha powder into custard. Mix well until combined. Now gently whisk a quarter of meringue into matcha custard to lighten it, making it easier to fold in the rest of the meringue mixture all at once. Now, fold the custard into the meringue. Mom preferred to divide custard into 2 parts. Fold in a C shape as demonstrated in the video. Starting in the middle of the bowl, drag the thin edge into a spatula down. Then tilt the scoop up a spatula, making sure to scrape the bottom of the bowl. Turn the bowl over away from your body. Shift the bowl 45 degrees and repeat. Do not overfold. Stop folding when streaks of white have disappeared, or rather when they almost disappeared. Now divide our souffle batter into 4 ramekins. It will look better and rise higher if you pour full ramekins. Give it a tap on the surface. It could help it rise better too. For a higher rise, rub your thumb around the inside rim of the souffle ramekins to create a gap between the ramekins and the batter. Now, straight into the oven. Bake 15 minutes. It's super satisfying to watch our souffle rise higher and higher out of the oven. Now dust 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar on top. Be quick. All souffles fall within minutes of coming out the oven because of the hot air bubbles contract when they hit cooler air. That's why you need to serve them immediately after baking. Mom just tricked you with our old video. Mom forgot to video the time we ate matcha soufflé. Ha 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 ha. So instead she uses the old one. OMG, so funny, right? When we ate the durian soufflé, she videoed it only, but not the matcha one. So believe me, 2 of those soufflés are wonderful and still my favorite French desserts of all times. Nothing else is better than a windy day, just a sip of hot tea, and a spoonful of rich, fluffy, and foamy souffle. Warning you, it's super hot and easy to be addicting to. Be careful! Thank you for watching our video. Hope you have a wonderful time. See you tomorrow on our channel. Bye!